Hey guys, Louis here from Steadfast Construction Design. Hope you're well, thanks for joining me. So just giving you an update on week 2 of the conversion of this 4-bedroom property in Moseley, Birmingham to a 7-bedroom fully ensuite property. We've had an interesting week whereby we have made some really good progress. We've got a number of stud walls up in the property, and we were anticipating just awaiting the electricians to come in, and while we were waiting for them, being able to knock down 2 walls, one through in the extension, one in the kitchen area. We ran into a problem in that we found that the wall for the kitchen actually has a chimney stack above it, and even though there is a steel beam found in the kitchen area, unfortunately there wasn't a steel beam underneath the chimney stack, so the weight of the chimney stack wasn't supported, which puts the structure of the property at risk. So that required some urgent attention. So that has meant that our focus on the last few days has been on that, but luckily we've been able to rectify the issue, get the relevant supports in place. The structure of the property is now safe. It does still require some attention though. I'll show you around that. But yeah, ultimately property is going through massive changes, massive diet, massive surgical changes here. So you know, it's a real building site at the moment. Behind me here is a gate, but what we're actually doing is looking to connect the mains water. There's a trench there that you can see. Looking to reconnect that to the house, so that the property can be supported by a higher pressure water system. But what we need to do is we need to dig out our boundary, and then the water board will be able to come out and connect it all up. It's one of the legal requirements. So that's a massive bit of work done, and that'll massively support this property becoming durable and supporting tenants all through the seasons, and result in less complaints for the landlord as well, so that the unvented boiler system can be supported by high enough pressure water coming into the property, and that system that'll be going into the basement. So I'll show you around the rest of the property here. Bear with me. So I'm inside the property, and what I've got behind me in just a moment is going to be one of the walls from the extension that we've knocked through. So where I'm standing now was actually where there was a bathroom with a bath and a shower. There's a toilet, and then behind this door behind me there was a boiler, very standard combi boiler supporting the whole house. So that's been taken out. We've taken down the wall. You can see videos and pictures on that on previous posts, and that all went really well. We got the steel beam in there, well, 2 steel beams in there supporting the 2 skin wall, and further behind me is the next wall that should actually now be down. However, as we found when we started to pull down parts of the ceiling, we could actually see straight up the chimney stack outside, and frankly we've got bare bricks there that potentially, you know, they were ready to fall. So unfortunately that wall is still standing for good reason at the moment. So I'll take you further through the property now. Hey guys, so I'm now in the kitchen diner area, and behind me is the wall that we've had to support here, and I'll walk a bit further so you can start to see the joist above me as well. So we ripped down the ceiling, didn't intend to rip down the ceiling, but because of the nature of this work, where we're having to work around with steel beams, the RSJs will need to get that down, and then we'll board over it, plaster over it. You can see behind me the guys have done a fantastic job of building 2 columns just here and here, and that's now supporting the RSJ beam that's going up there. There will actually be 3 RSJs as well, because it's a 3 skin wall. So that's the kitchen diner area, and of course where we're going to be putting our boiler room as well, just behind me here. That's the reason this door's been blocked up. Very good job there. Just the other side of this door as well is where I've shown photos of the ventilation system into the basement. Again, fantastic brickwork, bricklaying there as well. And then behind me is the basement area. So that means some carpentry there. Talking of carpentry, we have put up the stud walls and there's single board on them. So in one of the second bedrooms you can see that. So that should have the second plasterboard on, sorry, the first plasterboard on there, but that has been put back due to this wall situation. And then next door we've got guys working everything here. So what we'll do is we'll move swiftly on to upstairs. Hey guys, so you're joining me upstairs now, and I'm in the 4th bedroom. This is a room where we can see quite a lot going on. So behind me we have the chimney stack that's now being supported by RSJ beams, and we were able to get hold of them within less than 24 hours of this situation coming to our attention. Behind me we have an ensuite bathroom with single skin, single plasterboard on here. As you see, it's got one window, 2 windows. The shower will be going in that corner there, so this window will actually be bricked up. So that's one of the next jobs, and really theoretically it should be done by now. But we'll get there. We'll march forward, we'll push, pull, bite, scratch. So this property's fighting back, but we're going to do our thing and get this resolved and a beautiful HMO product for people to live in. So we're in one of the final bedrooms, 6th bedroom here, and as you can probably see behind me, where are we? Here, and down the bottom here, we've started some of the tracking for the electricians, so when they come in they'll be able to do their thing much quicker, anticipating a week or so for them to do their work. If we're proactive in getting some of the tracking done around the property for them. And we have, as you can see, bare walls as well. So yeah, just to recap then, we've completed demolition of one wall, gutted the property as well, giving the property a real diet. So property is, you can certainly feel the elements around the property. It's certainly much colder in this place as bricks are being taken out, floorboards are being taken up. People can see each other now through walls and through the floorboards and on different floors now. So property is really going through its refurbishment. Behind me here, the ensuite for this bedroom, single skin, single plasterboard. I'll take you inside quickly. Just to give you an idea. We've got the guys working below us, so that's it guys. We'll have to get back to work now. Thanks very much for joining us on the end of week 2, and hope you have a good weekend. Bye for now.